I air check the 3.5 reverse clutch, when I have it on the pump's on a bench, I have oil gushing out of this hole you see here on page 36. So flip over to page 36 of your manual, and you'll see the hole I'm talking about. This is actually a bleed hole for the 3.5 reverse clutch. And you're going to have oil coming out of here when you air check the clutch, because that's what it's meant to do. It's meant to purge the air out from underneath the piston of the 3.5 reverse clutch. Now, when you open up the pump, you're going to see that there is, in fact, an air bleed capsule that's pressed into the pump cover, as you see here on page 37. What's going to happen here is when you air check it through the pump, as you see here, this is the 3.5 reverse air check passage we're showing you. When you air apply that, if there's oil present, it's going to come out of that hole. If there's no oil present, you'll feel the air gushing out of there. There's nothing wrong. That's just exactly how it's supposed to work. Now, 6L80, 6L90, they don't do this, obviously. They have it a different way. And by the way, if you're working on a 6L45, for example, out of a Beamer, let's say, this will be the same way as the 6L50. But the 80 and 90, if you recall, a lot of times you looked at the back of the 3.5 reverse drum, and you see there's a hole in it. It actually air bleeds through the drum on the 6L80-90. It doesn't do it like the 6L50 and 6L45 does. So that clears up the confusion on that.
Thank you for watching. For all Confirm Fix videos and unlimited technical support, become an ATSG member, your transmission tech solution. Click the membership link below.